Want a high-quality timepiece but don't know where to look? Congratulations! You've stumbled into the day's video comparison of the Apple Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. In this video, we will compare and contrast both options, focusing on the most crucial factors such as functionality, battery life, and physical health. So let us begin.
This should be fun.
Design. If we're being really candid, both watches appear enormous. While the Apple Watch Ultra is noticeably bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, both watches are large. However, despite their different sizes, the aesthetics of both watches are equally impressive. The choice of titanium for the watch case undoubtedly plays a significant role in this. Nevertheless, the two businesses take distinct approaches to design. While Apple's watches still employ a square case, Samsung's latest iteration is circular. Sapphire crystal is used by both firms to make the display's protective glass. We shall discuss more the display, so keep watching, which aids in keeping the screen scratch-free. Both provide an adequate variety of watch bands to suit your needs. In the same vein as the Apple Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, both of these watches include two control buttons. The Apple Watch Ultra, on the other hand, sports a digital crown in addition to a digital touch bezel.
Interesting.
We think both are great in terms of design, but you tell us which one is best in the comment section. Features and performance. As with previous models in the series, the Watch 5 Pro is powered by a modified version of Google's Wear OS 3, and its user interface is straightforward and mainly dependent on touch input. At the moment, it's only compatible with Android devices. Despite having a smaller range of applications than the Apple Watch, we found that it worked effectively as a smartwatch due to its customizable watch faces and handy tiles that rapidly display the information you need. With a dual-core S8 CPU and Watch OS, the Apple Watch Ultra is a powerful wearable device. In our case, this strategy proved to be rather effective. That's why we can confidently declare swiping between screens, launching applications, and getting apps onto the Ultra is an extremely smooth experience.
I like that.
They're almost equal in terms of functionality, so choose whichever one you like best. Well, they have sensors that can be useful, and we will address some of them in this video and let you in on the rest later, so subscribe so you don't lose out on any of the information. Display. The screens on both watches are attractive, and they can both perform their intended functions well. Nevertheless, the Apple Watch's display is bigger than the one on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, so it may be easier to read. The screen resolution and pixel density of the Apple Watch Ultra is marginally better. Although both watches include an always-on screen, the Apple Watch Ultra's brightness may be adjusted to a far greater extent. Comparatively, the Apple Watch Ultra's maximum brightness is 2000 nits, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's maximum brightness is 1000 nits. With this, the Ultra can be seen in broad daylight with relative ease. This will be crucial for individuals who use their gadgets on frequent outside excursions, particularly in warmer areas.
I'm impressed.
It's possible that factors other than maximum brightness, such as size and design, contribute to comfort and usage. The Apple Watch Ultra's display is not just bigger, but also squarer, so it's easier to see and interact with. Nonetheless, the circular form factor of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, along with its touch bezel, makes for a more satisfying wear experience. Battery life. Though the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 590 mAh battery is larger than that of other smartwatches, don't expect it to last as long as the batteries in other Fitbits.
Oh no!
Regardless, Samsung boasts that you can go hard knowing that your watch can keep up with the biggest battery capacity among our wearable series. As GPS tracking puts extra pressure on the battery, this watch will last no more than 2 or 3 days at the most. From dead to completely charged, our watch timed out at 1 hour, 27 minutes. While previous Apple Watches had disappointing battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra is a major advance in this regard. This wearable goes above and beyond the ordinary by providing 36 hours of use in regular mode and 60 hours in low-power settings, making it ideal for those who need more than a day's worth of battery life from their wearable. Obviously, the Galaxy Watch came out on top here. Fitness and sensors. These gadgets provide you with sensors like accelerometers and gyroscopes, as well as a compass, altimeters, and ambient light detectors. The Apple Watch Ultra is the only wearable with dual-frequency GPS, meaning it receives and processes location data from both L1 and L5 satellites simultaneously. If you are near large obstacles like buildings, mountains, or vegetation, your watch will be able to keep better track of you thanks to this feature. In comparison, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's GPS tracking regularly disconnects at weird angles due to interference.
Not cool, not cool, not cool.
Furthermore, Apple has improved its fitness capabilities, making them more useful for guided exercises. During a run, the Apple Watch Ultra can monitor your heart rate zone, running power, and running form in order to design a series of custom workouts that push you to complete a certain number of laps at a target speed, heart rate, or cadence. Technically, Samsung's running coach function may help you maintain a set speed, but it's outdated and only offers a handful of predetermined possibilities. It can track your cadence and heart rate zones, but you won't be able to view that information while you're running. The Apple Watch Ultra has the same sensors as previous Apple Watches, but they are vastly improved. Water temperature can be detected by the temperature sensor, and up to 156 grams forces can be detected by the accelerometer with the help of the fall detection and crash detection features. Consequently, we will declare Apple the victor here. Personal choice is the most important factor in deciding which option is best. It's no shock that Apple fans would go for the Apple Watch Ultra, while Samsung fans would choose for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. You will have a fantastic smartwatch regardless of whatever one you choose. But we want to caution you if you're thinking of getting an Apple Watch Ultra.
Oh, really?
There are a few things to consider before making the purchase. Interested in knowing? Then click here to find out more in our next video.